Hi, my name is Emma, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about FitSpresso before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about FitSpresso is be careful with the website you're going to buy because FitSpresso is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So, what is FitSpresso and does it actually work? The answer is yes. FitSpresso has helped thousands of people and it will work for you too. After many laboratory tests, researchers discovered a natural formula with powerful ingredients that work in harmony with the body's internal rhythm. When taken daily with coffee, this formula helps unlock the body's full metabolic potential, keeping it in a state of fat burning all day long. As more and more people began using FitSpresso, the results spoke for themselves. Stubborn fat that had clung to their bodies for years began to melt away. Clothes started fitting differently. Faces looked slimmer. Energy levels rose steadily without the crash that comes with most diet pills or energy drinks. Users reported waking up feeling refreshed and clear-headed. Throughout the day, they experienced sustained focus, steady energy, and a calm sense of motivation that made even the most hectic days feel manageable. The emotional transformation was just as powerful. As the pounds dropped, confidence returned, smiles got wider, people began enjoying life again. One of the most remarkable things was how effortlessly the change happened. No intense workouts, no restrictive diets, just one simple capsule taken each morning with coffee. Over time, daily routines started to feel easier, movement became more enjoyable, people started walking more, laughing more, living more. FitSpresso didn't just help people lose weight, it helped them feel alive again. And as more stories poured in, real, powerful stories of change, it became clear that this wasn't just a supplement, it was a turning point, a new beginning. So, yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with FitSpresso, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test FitSpresso for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for FitSpresso to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the second month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, FitSpresso has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy FitSpresso from. Remember, I've left the link to the official site in the description of this video. And also, if you do decide to buy the product, make sure you follow the treatment exactly as recommended and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that FitSpresso actually helps you a lot to improve your life, just like it has improved the lives of thousands of people all over the world.